Yo guys, what's up? You know I like dividend investing, so 1OK is a dividend stock. Let's take a look at it. A little bit of technical analysis here. So, got the market cap at 23 billion, 23.7. PE ratio is at 17.60. I like it around 15 or under usually for when I buy a stock, but this is pretty good for this stock, I think. It's got some growth left in it. So dividend 374. It's 7.8%, which is outstanding dividend for this company. So this company looks pretty awesome. Let's look at everything. So the key statistics here. Okay. Look at the trailing PE, and we get the forward PEs right at 15. So that's what I like to see. Right around 15 or under. So it's perfect sweet spot for me right now. So I think this is probably a good stock for me to be in. I'm going to be shifting some of my portfolio into the dividend-paying stocks, like you're going to see over the next few months here. And I'm going to capitalize on that as well by trading puts and calls on my dividend stocks. It's a little risky. You might not get the dividend if your stock gets called out from underneath you, but it's okay. You can see here that, let's see, return on assets, return on equity is pretty awesome, over 20%. I like to see it around at least 10% to 15%. Alright, this is good. Revenue, 11 billion. Revenue per share, 25. That's pretty awesome. Alright. Let's see, cash, they've got cash in the bank. 374 million. Awesome. They do have quite a bit of debt. Now, the debt's kind of high. Alright. Debt to equity is kind of high. So, yeah. Alright, so that's just something to be wary of. It looks like if interest rates go up, they do have a lot of debt, so that could impact things a little. They do have some good cash flow. It looks like they could pay their debt off pretty quickly, if need be. All right, they do have revenue of 11 billion, and total debt is 14 billion. But the cash flow is only 2 billion. All right. So, okay, it's a little riskier than I thought. Has a little more debt than I would like, but overall, it's a great stock. Let's see. Earnings per share is going up, it looks like, so that's good. And now for the meat and potatoes. What do these guys do? Yeah, I've heard of the stock before. You guys probably heard of it too, but do you know what they do? Alright, so they do gathering, processing, storage, and transportation of natural gas. Alright, natural gas is huge. Although, disappointingly, California no longer allows natural gas in new houses. It's kind of weird. Not sure why. Something to do with greenhouse gas and whatever. Global warming, blah, blah, blah. Alright. So, I do like this company. I think it's got a good dividend. It's a little bit out of favor right now. So I think this is a good buy. So let's go to TradeStation and do some options trading for 1OK. Alright, here we are at TradeStation, looking at 1OK. You can see it had a massive dip there, just along with everybody else. So let's go to a smaller time scale. Over the last year, it's been going up. So this is good. That's what I want to see. So let's go to the options. Okay, it's at 53, so I'm going to sell one put right now. I'm just going to start small and see if I get put the stock. If not, I'm just going to make cash on it. Actually, I'm going to do two. I don't want to get too greedy. But it's about making money, right? So let's take a look. Break even is at 51.90. It's gonna cost all right, sell 2 to open. Max loss 10.3. That's not going out of business tomorrow, so should be fine. All right, let's go look at that order. Okay, the order got filled. And let's go back and look at the stock. Okay, so you can see here that 1OK, OKE, is now in the portfolio, just below OIH. Another oil stock. Okay, so look at the, we have a little problem. Can't really tell what the value of the company is right now. So I have to do my little hack for options trading, especially in TradeStation, it seems like. So going back. So okay, here's my little trade hack for options trading. Go trade. Now, I know it doesn't seem like a lot, right? But okay, we're going to buy 1 share of stock. We're going to buy 1 share of stock. Alright, send the order. View the order. It is filled. Okay guys, that's my little trading hack. You can see here, I bought 1 share of 1OK. Okay, big deal, right? 1 share, who cares? 53 bucks, whatever. But what it allows me to do is do a quick look at my option and the price of the stock, and I can see, you can see $53 put. Okay, stock's currently trading at $53.20. Awesome. So we're still okay. We're not in the money yet, and the option is still worth $1.05. So even though we're out of the money, we're still far away. September 17th. It's a few weeks out. So if this stock drops below the strike price of $53, I'll get put the stock, and I'm not gonna whine and complain about it. I might try to roll it, but getting dividend paying stocks into my portfolio is a goal. It's now a goal to build up that dividend side, as well as the growth side, and to capitalize on dividends paying stocks, how slow they grow. I'm going to be selling puts and calls against them. I know it adds a little more risk into the portfolio, but it'll definitely improve the 7% return that the stock has. So, if you guys want to learn more about dividend paying stocks, growth stocks, and how to get more out of your portfolio, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.